Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope you guys are pretty fine, doing very well. So, here I'm back again with another very useful, the most demanding collection of white lace dress designs ideas for ladies. So, in this video, you will find the white lace skater dresses, the petite skater dresses for party wear. So, in this video, you will find a huge collection of lace dresses that are highly running in fashion these days and that are most adorable in their designing, and the lace patterns are also so beautiful. So these floral lace patterns are really going to be very favorite to you, and I hope you will love all the designs I have just added in this video to give you ideas, to give you suggestions which type of dresses are trending in fashion these days in lace fabric, and which type of dresses you can wear in parties. So for daytime parties, the lace dresses are always the best choice. So for more designs, for more ideas, just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you'll explore in this video, and I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. So guys, if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful for you and helpful for you. So my dear viewers, if you are loving these adorable, the most beautiful lace floral pattern white dresses, so please do like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section to tell me how was the video, how were the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are made useful for you. Please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, and thanks for your appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful ideas for you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.